Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down the computer and unplug the power cord so you avoid shorts. Locate the VGA port on the back of the CPU case, on the motherboard I/O or a discrete GPU, and identify the 15-pin D-sub shape. Once located, compare the cable end to the port. Make sure pins are straight and the thumb screws move freely, because damaged pins or stuck screws will block a proper connection. You align the VGA plug so the trapezoid shape matches the port. Hold it straight and push gently until it seats fully. Do not twist or force. Once seated, hand tighten the two thumb screws until snug. This secures the ground and prevents wiggling. Then route the cable neatly, avoiding tight bends, pinch points, or crossing power cables. Good routing reduces signal noise and strain on the connector, ensuring a stable video feed. You can now reconnect power and turn on the monitor and PC. Make sure the monitor is set to the VGA input. If the screen is blank, press Windows key +P or use display settings to detect the signal, then set an appropriate resolution and refresh rate. If problems persist, reseat the connector, try a known good VGA cable or alternate port, and confirm any adapter is passive versus active. These steps isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.